give 10 points. Your P and what is the atomic radius of hydrogen atom in meter?
(10⁻10 meters).
Correct answer. Give 10 points. In a rhombus, if measure of one of the angle is 50 degree, then what is the measure of its opposite angle? Correct answer. Give 10 points. One non-metal which is found in liquid state at room temperature. Correct answer. So please mark that. First question. Everyone listen carefully. The proportion of solute in a solution is called dash. Not a single school gave us, so time is over. Correct answer is concentration. Second question, be ready. If A minus B is equal to 8 and AB is equal to 9, then what is the value of A plus B? And correct answer, give 10 points to Emma Hajwani. Second question. Last question of last round. Who has been awarded with IAF World Space Award 2024 for the remarkable achievement of Chandrayaan 3? Correct. Give 10 points. या ठिकाणी in between Emma Hajwani and ITT English Medium School. So one more GK question will be asked. You can do.
सर नायकल सर ओ नायकल सर बोला तिसरा क्रमांकाचा अनाउन्स करा ना सर तिसरा नंबरसाठी ए बाळा इकडे या बाळा इकडे या
आता झालेल्या प्रश्नोत्तरीच्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये तृतीय क्रमांक विश्वनाथ विद्यालय नवीन यांचा प्राप्त झालेला
बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
This is tiebreaker question. The question is, when was World Food Day celebrated in 2024?
16 October.
Correct. Give 10 points.
एमा हजवानी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल खेड तिसेकर अजिजा कादे आणि खोर उमेद समेत मार्गदर्शक आहेत समीना सांगले. सलग 7 वर्षे त्यांनी प्रथम क्रमांक सोडलेला आहे. त्यांचे विशेष कौतुक. प्रथम क्रमांक एमआयबी हजवानी इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल खेड.